And what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jeremy Funderburg here, author of Never Work to 40 and the leader of the Never Work to 40 movement. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the role that paid advertising plays in social media marketing. Paid advertising is a key in social media marketing, but many businesses still struggle to understand the role it plays and how much it could actually benefit their business. And in this video, we're going to share some insights on the role that paid advertising plays in social media marketing and how you can use it to grow your business. So if you're ready for it, let's dive in. Now, the first benefit that paid advertising plays in social media marketing is that it allows you to reach a bigger audience. Organic reach on social media platforms can be limited, but paid advertising can help you get your message out in front of a wider audience. The second benefit is that paid advertising allows you to target a specific audience. In other words, you can go after only your ideal clients. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer advanced targeting options. This allows you to target people based off of demographics, interests, and behaviors. This means you can reach people who would be most likely to be interested in your products and your services. The third benefit of paid advertising is that it increases your brand awareness. By consistently displaying your ads to a relevant audience, you can increase visibility and awareness for your brand, which can lead to more customers and more sales over time. Now, the fourth benefit of paid advertising is that it drives traffic and sales. By using targeted ads and optimizing your campaigns, you can drive more traffic to your website and increase conversions. This can lead to more sales and more revenue for your business. Another benefit of paid advertising is that it allows you to measure results. With paid advertising, you can track metrics and impressions, clicks and conversions, giving you meaningful insights into the success of your campaigns. This data can help you optimize your campaigns and achieve better results over time. These are insights into the role that paid advertising plays in social media marketing. Paid advertising can help you reach a wider audience, target your ideal customer, increase brand awareness, drive traffic and sales, and measure your results. So if you're not already using paid advertising as part of your social media marketing strategy, it's worth considering how it can benefit your business. So we hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe, so that way we can provide you with more tips, more tricks, more strategies for growing your social media marketing agency. And we can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.